If you're vibe coding with Cursor AI and your app design looks as mid as this, it's probably because your prompting sucks. Let me guess. You usually prompt Cursor AI with something like, make this UI more beautiful. Well, that's exactly the reason why it sucks. If you give me a couple of minutes of your attention, I promise by the end of this video, I'll have a quick fix for your next application so it looks way better than this example. Now, here's the first mistake people do. They usually use vague promptings like make this more beautiful, make this modern, use Tailwind CSS. Just phrases, not actual context. The thing with LLMs is they usually tend to be lazy. So they will just give you or use the path of least resistance. So if you just give it a vague prompt, it will give you as short of a response as possible. Because let's face it, computers expensive, right? If you actually are more detailed, it can't help other than providing you a way better output. And that's a big mistake. Cursor is super powerful, but it's not a mind reader. You have to be explicit. You have to give context to get the most out of it. So when you don't give AI clear design instructions, it will default always to average. And average means average results and forgettable UI. Good UI isn't random. It's not about random colors, random spacing. It's about consistency, spacing, alignment, margins, and fonts. Now here's the fix. Find a beautiful UI you actually like and would like to implement. Like in my case, I think this UI looks really good. So what you are going to do is first take a screenshot, then open ChatGPT at the screenshot, and then type in this simple prompt, which in of itself all 10x your design quality. But I extended my prompt a little bit more. So instead of the simple one, I have this one, which gives a little bit more of context. Colors, roles, components, and then finally the objective. Then hit enter and let ChatGPT create the design.json file, which if you don't know what JSON format is, to keep it simple, it's just more structured and easier to read and understand for LLMs. Great, next, copy and head over to Cursor AI. In Cursor AI, instead of typing make this UI beautiful, skip this and create a design.json. In here, paste your ChatGPT output in. In the chat with your AI agent in Cursor, we add context, the design.json file, and then type in this prompt, use design.json for styling only. Keep the logic and structure I give you. Now in Cursor, we first use the design.json as context, so select it. Next, type in your prompt to Cursor. In my case, use this design.json for styling only. Keep the logic and structure I give you to improve our landing page. Then hit enter and let the AI agent do its thing. So it turns this standard UI to exactly what I want it to look like. Now you might wonder, why didn't I just paste in or upload the screenshot directly to Cursor AI? The thing is, I've noticed, by providing just a screenshot, the LLM will always miss something in Cursor AI. But giving it a structured JSON file will produce a way better styling for your next application. And boom, now your UI looks intentional, not random, clean, on brand, and consistent. Obviously, I didn't upload any image assets or videos, so that's lacking, but the design is exactly what I wanted. Here's a bonus tip. I would actually take multiple screenshots from other sections, right? I did just take a screenshot from the hero section and applied it to everything. So the design for the other sections is consistent, but you can go here a step further. I just wanted to give you a quick fix. Let me know in the comments. More gems are coming.